In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix ChatGPT request is not allowed. Please try again later error. To fix this, you first need to refresh the page and see if it actually helps with this particular error. If not, you can head over to your actual account, then click on your account profile, log out, and then proceed to log in again. Alternatively, you can also start a new chat by clicking onto this icon right here or clicking on the Ctrl-Shift-O onto your actual keyboard. The other options we can do is we can check OpenAI server status. Head over right here to a new tab and search right here for OpenAI status. Once you search for that, you can see right here the status at openai.com, and from in there, you can see if OpenAI have some issues. So red indicates issues, yellow is actual errors, and as you can see, green is considered uptime. As of right now, OpenAI is fully operational. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.